I have this coffee grinder next to my Keurig. I always like to grind my beans for my morning coffee. The only problem is there's usually some spillage, some extra grounds end up on the countertop. So I put a pan under it to catch the grounds because they're kind of hard to see on this dark quartz countertop that I've got. So anyway, the trouble is it's too small, the pan, because when I try to get it there, it won't come out, so I got to tilt it up to get the thing out. And so I said, you know what, I'm going to order one from Amazon, which is what I did. I ordered a one of those butcher pan type porcelain things, and when it arrived it was damaged. I'll drop in a picture of it that I had to return to Amazon. You know, wrap it up, take it to Staples, get the QR code, all of that mess. So then I thought, well, you know what? Screw Amazon. I'm going to make one out of hardwood, and it's going to be big enough to fit the grinder. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, these are all the pieces I'm going to be needing for the coffee ground pan to go underneath my coffee grinder. These are all just scraps of black walnut that I have arranged in a pattern that I kind of like. And they're going to be glued to this 3/8 inch outdoor crappy plywood. That'll be the base. And these pieces of very dark maple with a lot of wormholes came from a huge slab that I got practically for free because the sawmill didn't have any other use for it. This is going to be the two sides, and this from the same slab, a little bit cleaner, is going to be the front and the back. I did a template of the base of the coffee grinder, so plenty of room. The sides, on the back, and definitely in the front to handle the any kind of overspill. Two inches. So I'm going to go 15/16. Make it 7/8 to take into account the kerf of the blade. Okay, next step will be to glue these down, and then using my drum sander I will sand them smooth. I also need to take something off the bottom of this because this isn't a high enough lip for me. I want it to be a little higher. don't care about squeeze out. It's all going to be taken care of in the sanding stages. It's important to get these down while the glue is still wet so that I can make sure that all of the joints are tight. I don't want to have any gaps. Ah. There we go. Good old Tatham's Plumber's Extra Solder. I think this is just solid lead. Back when nobody knew what the hell lead could do to you.